Are you struggling with car count? Are you doing advertising and promotion and a bunch of different things, but you're not getting the results you're looking for? Well, on this video, I'm going to show you 4 things that I commonly see in auto repair shop marketing. So go ahead and buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're a shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload new tips, weird hacks, and dirty little secrets. At Car Count Hackers, I just like to say, you fix the cars, I'll fix your car count. So let's jump into this. I asked you if you've been doing advertising or promotion, and that could be anything from a simple postcard or a banner, a flyer, or even Facebook ads or, YouTube pre-roll ads. Can be any type of advertising. If you're taking money out of your pocket to do advertising, you want an ROI. And if you're not getting the ROI, there's a few reasons that I see commonly that keep auto repair shop owners back from attaining that ROI. Number 1 is it's your offer. It's plain and simple. The offer sucks. What do I mean by that? Pretty simple. I see this constantly either on auto repair shop websites, on their Facebook pages in some case, and even on direct mail postcards that they've paid good money for. They'll say something like, save 20 on any repair over 140, or save 45 on any repair over 300, or save whatever on any repair over. That's not an offer. So how do you fix that? Think direct response. Direct response is a very particular offer sent to a particular group of people, and you are eliciting a response immediately. And when I say direct response, I mean you have to have a specific headline that gets the reader to stop and look at what you're offering. You've got to have a very specific offer. You've got to show them how to save money immediately, and you've got to have a strong call to action. The problem number 2 that I often see is using the wrong media. Look, it could be AdWords on Google search, it could be YouTube pre-roll ads, it could be Facebook ads, or direct mail, or flyers, or anything. It's not necessarily the fact that the medium doesn't work, because I can line up a bunch of people that make money on Facebook ads or YouTube pre-roll, and if you continue to see that ad, you can pretty much bet that it's making money. What I'm getting at is, are you advertising where your customers are? Or on the other hand, are you letting somebody else run your advertising and SEO, and you're attracting customers that are 200 or 300 miles away from you, running Facebook ads that get a lot of likes, get a lot of shares, but don't make you any money? You run into those issues when you're using the wrong media. Problem number 3 that I often see is the market. Who are you sending your offers to? Do these people actually know, trust, and like you? Because when you think about it, that has the highest possibility of getting a response. I get a postcard from Joe at Joe's Auto. I know Joe. He's given me a great offer to get this and save that. Of course I'm going to pick up the phone and call him. Are you doing that? Or are you just blasting out lame offers to anyone who's got a pulse and willing to look at your ad and then saying, I like that? That doesn't work. And the 4th problem that I often see with repair shop owners is marketing or advertising or sending out offers to people at the wrong time. So let me ask you this. You have a bunch of customers that just left your repair shop in the last month. Would you send them an offer for an oil change? I don't think so. I think that would be just like taking money and flushing it down the toilet. On the other hand, are you trying to sell things like alignment specials? What about $100 off a timing belt offer? What about things like coolant flushes? What about brake jobs? Are you doing that and you're still wondering why it's not working? Well, let me explain something, and I'm going to be very bold, and I'm not looking to hurt your feelings. The simple fact of the matter is They may need an alignment. They may need a timing belt. They may need coolant flushes or brake jobs. But the truth is, most car owners wouldn't know they need a brake job if the wheels were falling off the car. Look, people only buy what they want or need. The only auto repair service, and I've said this, maybe 200 times on this channel, the only auto repair service that they know they need is a simple oil change. That's it. So you're trying to sell alignments because maybe that's your profit center. Maybe timing belts are good money. That's great. But they don't know they need it. I'm not saying they don't need it. I'm saying they don't know they need it. So those are the 4 issues that I commonly see in errors and why your auto repair shop advertising and marketing isn't delivering a positive ROI. Number 1, your offer sucks. It just plain sucks. Number 2, you're using the wrong media to reach the people in your market. Number 3, you're reaching the wrong market. You're not going to the people that know, trust, and like you. And number 4, you're sending out offers sort of shotgun blasting the market, or as they say, spray and pray. And you're hoping to pick up, out of 1 million impressions, you're hoping to pick up a customer or 2, and it doesn't happen that way. Timing of the offer is critical to the success of that offer. Now, having said all that, I have something for you that you might not know about. I've just released my brand new auto repair shop owners course, How to Double Your Car Count 89 Days Without Wasting Any of Your Hard-Earned Dollars on that money-sucking advertising. Look, I'm going to show you the 3 pillars of car count on this training course. There's really only 3 things that you need to focus on in order to get more car count. I'm going to expose the car count cube. It's like the formula. Match these 4 points, understand this cube. Every time you do any advertising or promotion, whatever money you put into it, every dime you put into it will work like $1. And even my signature profits customer referral program, which don't tell anybody, but I've sold that whole system in the past, and it's given away free in this training course. So in the links down below, go ahead and look for the link to double your car count and register, because it won't be free for long. And in the meantime, if you're still here, in the comments below, tell me if you're struggling with any of these issues, or ask the Car Count Fixer, again, in the links below, and I'd be more than happy to speak with you and see how we could sort of straighten things out for you and show you maybe what you're doing wrong or the little tweaks you need to make in any of your advertising. And if you're still hanging around at the end of this video, over here, go ahead and watch these free tools that you can use right now to improve your site, your website, and get more visitors. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, and I can't wait to see you on the training course, better yet, on the next video. Take care and talk soon.